Hey everybody, this is Ken. I am back with another accessory from Hansshow. Hansshow sent me this gear shift control stock. I honestly don't care about a gear shift control stock because I kind of get used to things. Some people might not like that. I told them to send it to me so I can review it for everybody, and I'll just show you. How do you put a Model Y or a Model 3 Highland into gear? There's a few ways. You can put your foot on the brake and this comes up right here, as you can see. So if you go up like this, that puts it in drive. So if you're doing like a 3-point turn or something like that, that might be kind of cumbersome doing that. Another way is auto shift beta. I have it turned on. So based on its surroundings, it'll predict if you need to go into drive or reverse. That's how that works. The Model 3 Highland does not have either or, and I think you can purchase both of them, the left and the right. It's pretty minimum in the box. First things, it gives you a USB-C to USB-C to actually charge the gear stock. You'll get your cables to plug into your diagnostic port, the control box that will communicate with the gear stock via Bluetooth, adhesion promoter, nice little pry tool, standard, and of course you'll get the gear stock. It's just plastic. I'll show you right now me getting it installed into the passenger's side where the diagnostic port is located real quick. It's very easy to pop the panel, and then you move this push pin rivet. And after you do that, and just be careful, just pop that little panel out, and then you'll have access to your port that you need to plug this plug into. I have a couple of more accessories that I had plugged in, so all you have to do is just daisy chain that, or you don't even have to worry about it. You can just plug it right in. Go ahead and place your panel back on, and then pop in that push pin rivet or fastener, and then you'll be done. Just make sure before you do that, you check and make sure that it switches gears before you close up all of that and have to reopen that. So I'll show you how it works. We'll act like it's mounted, okay? Drive, and up, reverse, park. Seems like it's actually really fast and responsive. If you're curious of how the difference in the color, there is a slight difference. This is a little bit darker, I would say, than the OEM turn signal in the Model Y Juniper. It's pretty close, but it'll be on this side, so if somebody is really paying attention, I wish they could make it a little bit more slimmer because it pokes out a lot. But like I said, nobody's probably not going to be paying attention to it, but like I said, I don't mind not having it. But there are a lot of people out there that need it. Let's get it installed. Yeah, probably right here. But before I do it, you'll see that USB-C that will be pointing down. All I got to do is just plug it in underneath. That's how that looks. Take the adhesion promoter and just wipe in this area. It's pretty hot here, so it should dry up really fast. That would just be where it's located. You see it's drying up. Now I'm going to take this and I'm going to get this 3M tape off. Okay. Leave this on here for 30 seconds and I'll be back. It's kind of bulky. I don't really like that. But like I said, nobody's going to be looking when they're sitting on the passenger side like that. So it should be fine. So it's not moving. So that's good. I would suggest maybe, don't do too much. If you're just doing basic backing up or something, putting in drive, but if you're doing like a 3+ point turn, you might want it to sit for a little bit so it's good to go. So I just plugged it in and it's like a red LED to let you know that it's charging. That's another thing I suggest. Just go ahead and get it charged up overnight or something like that. I will close out this video just taking it with a little bit of music. If you would like to pick this up, I will leave the link in the description below for you. That will give you a nice little discount and that'll help my channel. This Ken. I'll see you in the next video.